Monday. It's a chilly one again. It was like -1 when we left, but now it's 18, so that's not that bad. For students, we bring them in if it's below 20. So I try and gauge that because in the morning I want to help as much as I can. We're a K-8, so we just have middle school and elementary. We're actually a pre-K-8, so we have some preschool as well. But yeah, so I'm trying to get there pretty early, and then we are starting on our projects this week, like new ones, back to school, new projects. We have been making some cards and more pictures, if anything, for the victims of the Marshall Fire and then the first responders and things like that. So I know some kids put some extra effort into it, so they might need an extra day. So we'll probably take today and do that, but then we are moving on into our new projects. I'm so excited. I always pick an artist. For the new year, I generally do some more modern artists, and I try and find something like a documentary or something about that artist. I will share with you more in depth when I get to the classroom, but we have some really great ones that are in the lineup, we shall say. We have an artist who works with fireworks, and if you go on Netflix, I believe the documentary is Sky Ladder, so you can look him up. He's really awesome. And we just have a bunch. We have a bunch of new artists, and I think the kids will have fun with it. We're gonna do some sand art, sewing, clay. I'm gonna attempt to do photography with them. I've done it once, and it's just a little tricky for them to understand because they're used to their iPhones. So if they mess up, it immediately ends in emotion or frustration. So they're used to being able to take a photo and delete it, but we use film cameras because I want them to learn about film, and I think that's the hardest part for them, is to take a photo and then like they have to think about it. They have to think about the photo they're taking, and that's like really hard for them to just take a pause and set a shot up. So we use digital cameras first, my own personal ones, so they can learn about lighting and how to set up a shot, and then I bring in the film cameras. So, and then I just outsource them to get them developed. I think I remember how to develop photos and then print them in the darkroom, but I'm not very, my husband's really good at that. Not so much. Like, I think we could turn one of our rooms in the basement into a darkroom if we wanted to. He's turned our bathroom one time into a pinhole camera because we had a huge sheet of film, but he's very crafty like that. So I'm not gonna make him, you know, print 100 fifth graders photos out though. So I outsourced to a place in Boulder, supporting local, which is nice. But yeah, it's a pretty busy day today. I forgot my lunch now that I'm realizing it, so I'm gonna have to head on out and maybe pick up some sort of healthy lunch, and then I do need to go to the grocery store, so I put an order in just so I can pick it up quick. So I don't think I'll have time to walk on my break today, but we shall see. So welcome, come along with me. I am gonna get all of the classroom stuff done. You saw yesterday that I got all the home stuff done, but now the attempt is the classroom stuff. So come along, happy Monday. I hope you all are doing great, and here's to a new week. We have made it to the classroom, and these are the brand new projects all of the kids are working on. We have quite a colorful selection here, but I'm really excited. I think the kids will be excited to get back in the classroom. So we have kindergarten doing some Arctic penguins. They have the option of giving them a hat and scarf. We, in first grade, are going to study George Rodriguez's Blue Dog. Second is going to be some folk flowers. Third needs to finish their sewing. Fourth grade is doing some cacti, and then fifth is working on their free time projects and then a 3D room. Hey there, so I got a call from daycare. We are being quarantined until Monday. So, yeah, we're gonna head home. I'm gonna get the kids. Of course, you will be seeing a lot of cooking and all the things. I love staying home with them, but I feel bad for my students, and I'm just at this you know, standpoint with this whole thing. You know, there's a lot of factors that go into it. Money is a big one. Money is big. I don't have the days to take. We still have to pay for the days they're there. And it's a mess, absolute mess. But yeah, just thought I'd keep you updated. Instead of doing my lunch break, we're gonna go get the kids and head home because I need to go get them immediately. All right, I'll see you at home. All right, we are home now. I got this one and that one. Oh, wow. Wilder's doing some scratch art. Can you show everyone? Oh, wow. So pretty.
I hold on my heart.
Okay, I'll hold it. We stopped at Chick-fil-A. We had a gift card. The Polynesian sauce is vegan. Oh, yeah. He got this little card present thingy. Polynesian sauce, vegan. French fries, unsure. They probably fry it in the same thing as chicken, but that's fine. Didn't know this, but they're... whatever it's called, a bite, go ahead. Their kale crunch salad has egg in the dressing, but that's okay. The kids will eat the salad, and I don't like it to go to waste, so maybe I will too, but I put some of my homemade ranch on it with the hemp seeds and all that. But yeah, we are home. We're going to watch some Encanto, and we are going to make some art and do some baking. We came out to build some mud pies. We're really stoked on this puddle. What you got there? What are you going to put in? Oh, so exciting. What, Della June? Deli keeps getting stuck in the snow. Do you need help? Okay. Hold Mama's hand. Here we go. Oh, goodness. Thank goodness she's okay. Yeah, we're just enjoying the outside. It's actually pretty warm out because of the sun. The Colorado sun just really warms things up pretty quick, but they love playing in the mud. I always loved playing in the mud, so we're gonna do that. We had a snack. No nap in sight since the day was kind of like abruptly switched in the beginning, and I'm sitting here for the last hour and I'm just thankful that I can spend time with them. Because I said to myself this weekend, maybe if I go, there we go, okay, that there just wasn't enough time with them, and I like had so many chores to do, as you saw in yesterday's video, so it's just nice to be able to slow down while the house is semi-clean and do like small chores here and there, but spend some time with them making mud pies and stuff. So yay, I'm happy, but I still feel guilty, if that makes sense. So I did forget to mention that none of us are showing any symptoms, but we are outside. What? Oh, Delilah's just loving this mud right now. I think she likes it more than Wilder. But anyways, none of us are showing symptoms, so we're gonna be just fine, right? She doesn't like when I talk into the camera. Let's see if she lets me finish. What are you doing? Let me see your hands. Can I see your hands? So messy. Hey, can you say yellow for everyone?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, she did it. Can you say purple?
Pinky.
So I think if we stay outside and eat healthy food and stay out of all of the hustle and bustle, we will be doing our part and staying safe. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in this quarantine for a while here. It's gonna be a nice break.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
We are making some cozy baked potato soup to go along with my husband's steaks. I'm making like little petite steaks for him, and it's getting chilly out, so I think this is what's in store. I'll show you my vegan way of doing it. This is one of those menu items where none of the family can tell that it's vegan. It's just as cheesy and comforting. Again, not in the business of tricking anybody into being vegan, but if you need to cut out dairy or something like this, this is a good recipe to try. So I'll show you all my swaps. Right now, you saw the potatoes. I have 6 to 7 potatoes. Wilder's walking on the countertop. Okay, so 6 to 7 potatoes. Depending on how many you're gonna feed, you're gonna need an onion, garlic, vegan half and half, vegetable broth, vegan bacon if you want, but I just use the texturized vegetable protein. It's really easy and it's bacony and all that. And then I don't use any, what don't I use? Oh, I'm using butter. I keep getting cut off in some way, so I'm just gonna get into it. Here's the onion, just one small onion that we're chopping, 3 cloves of garlic pressed, and yeah. Just gonna add all this to like a little saute-ish stock pan. And hey,
I got to do this. I got to do a tomatoes.
Okay, and then we will show you once we get everything into the pot. It's relatively simple. It's just a waiting game because you want all those flavors to go together. Good job. Thanks so much for being here, friends. We are going to call it a night. Stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye, everyone.